Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be doing some rice and peas along with some pineapple baked chicken. So stay tuned and follow me on this one. So right about now I'm gonna get my chicken seasoned up. Yeah. So chicken in here, and this is my pineapple. So I'm gonna get it peeled in a minute. So as for my seasoning, I'm gonna put about 4 teaspoons, yeah? Just sprinkle about 4 teaspoons, like so. Chicken seasoning, yeah? And I've got a little jerk seasoning, so I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons, not a lot, that's it. Yeah, what is it? Then my garlic powder, yeah man. And I've got all-purpose seasoning, just gonna sprinkle a little over it like so as well. So another 3 teaspoons. Then I'm gonna rub it in, just like so. So that is it, guys. I've got some blend-up seasoning as well. I'm gonna add in here. I've got, spring onion, fresh thyme, garlic, and some pimento berries. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pour it over it like so. And then give it a good old stir. So that is it. That's my chicken seasoned up, guys. I can smell it. Scotch bonnet coming from that thing. Yeah, scotch bonnet. Pepper. Yeah, strong in there. So that is that, guys. So I'm gonna leave this, let it go and rest for a bit, and then I'm gonna move on to my pineapple and get it peeled up. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch the process. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna proceed with the chicken. So I'm gonna get the chicken in. Get it in the oven, guys, so stay tuned. So meanwhile that is in the oven, guys, cooking, now I'm gonna check on my peas, see if it's cooked. Oh yeah, it's falling apart. Yeah, you can see that it's cooked today. So now I'm gonna get my coconut cream in. Normally, guys, I use coconut milk, but this will do the same job. So I'm just gonna get it like a toasted, like so, and get it in there. Some fresh herbs, fresh thyme, and there as well. We got some chopped spring onion, so I'll get that in. So I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes, guys, for the cream to melt out. It's like butter. See? It's a bit hard, so I'm gonna leave it until it's dissolved. Yeah. Then I'm gonna wash my rice. Just a little all-purpose. Alright, that is that. Wow, it smells so good. Stay tuned, guys. Right, I'm gonna check on the glaze, guys. Okay, so now I can get my rice in. But before I do so, I'm gonna add a little butter. So add a little butter. Oh yeah, lovely. So now I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and get the rice in. this now, guys, to cook. Hey guys, alright, I'm gonna make some sauce in this pan. Bell pepper, spring onion, garlic, and I got some fresh thyme along with 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and I've got some ginger. And I think I left out my Scotch bonnet. It's not there, but anyways, I'm gonna get them in the pot. Like so. I've got these Scotch bonnet as well. Yeah. Just so we got. No one's too spicy. Give it a stir. Take time and simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. Yeah man, go and simmer down. I'm going to check on my, in the meantime I'm going to check on my rice and peas, see what's going on.
You pick up your palette knife and then work that in.
Like it's finished cooked. Remember, rice looking lovely. Guys, looking lovely. And the aroma coming from it. Oh my days.
Yeah, boy. That's it. Lovely.
Oh my days. Smells so good. I think I can eat it as it is. Yeah. Just gonna try. Just try it a little. Oh yes. Oh yes, I'm gonna turn the stove up. Yes, finish cooked. Perfectly seasoned, guys. Coconut flavor. Oh, sensational, guys. What a sensation coming from this pot. Ah, sensational flavor. I'm telling you. Alright, I'm gonna turn the stove off like so. Is this one finished cooked? Yeah. Check back on my vegetables. Right. Okay, I've got some chicken stock. I'm gonna get it in there as well, guys. Like so. Man. Wow. Need to get a fruit. Implement the berries in there like so. Give it a different value, you know what I mean? Just enhance the flavor of it. Alright, leave this, make it one simmer down, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna check on the sauce. It's coming on nicely. So at this point I'm gonna add my pineapple juice. Like so. So that is it. Okay, give it a stir. I'm gonna add a little brown sugar like so. Just 2 teaspoons. Get a little butter in. As well. so good. Over here I got some chopped pineapple, guys. I'm gonna get it in there as well. Yeah, man. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a few minutes. Right, just a little bit. Just a little bit of this. I'm gonna press it there. I already have my pimento berries and little black things swimming on the top. So give this a few more minutes to simmer down. But yay! That tastes so good, man. Yeah. So you guys, stay tuned. When it's finished, I'm gonna show that to you as well. Chicken is still in the oven, so stay tuned. Everything coming out nicely, guys. This is a close-up shot of my pineapple baked chicken. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for a few more minutes. Yeah. And over here, carrots and peas. Yeah, finished cook. Let's stay tuned for the finished product, guys. Soon come. Yeah, guys, I finished cook my dinner, my rice and peas and pineapple baked chicken. Yeah, it's finished. So I'm gonna show that to you in a minute. So what I want you to do for me, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share the videos with your friends and your family members. And tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man. Around here, in my kitchen with it. So stick and stay, guy. I'm gonna show you the finished product. So you guys, this is my pineapple baked chicken. Yep. Jamaican style, authentic Jamaican cooking. Pineapple baked chicken with rice and peas over here. That's my rice and peas. Yeah. We've got a little veg over here on the side. Yeah. So this is it, guys. I'm telling you. I know I look beautiful, but it tastes even better, guys. I'm telling you, it tastes so delicious. So you can give it a go, guys. You can try it, yeah. Because right about now I'm gonna enjoy it with my family. So I know your family will like it as well. So go ahead, give it a go, yeah, man. And remember to season, to taste, yeah, man. You don't want to cook your thing. You don't want no blind food, yeah, man. So just cook it, season it to taste, and you're good to go. This is it, guys. This is it. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in another video. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner now. Peace out.